We found some life jackets, finally.
I'll ask you about your other fitness car.
Yeah.
Did she buy it for you?
With just 8 days to go, we're pulling everything together, and today one of our subscribers came through in a big way. Let's dive in to this week's vlog. Hey guys, so at the moment Chris is going to do a water bilge pump test. I don't know what he calls it, but basically we're going to put water into the car and hopefully the bilge pump should automatically go off.
If it doesn't, that means we've sank.
Why do you think we have a boat car, Mike?
Because try show off.
No. Mike. To go into the water, Mike, like we always have done. Before we hit the road, everything's got to be in working order. So let's see if this bilge pump passes the test. I should just turn it on and wet him up, shouldn't I? I think that would be quite funny.
No, well,
that would make quite a good show. Yes, it will. We found some. Yeah.
Thanks for a subscriber. Contacts. We actually looked around a few places.
We did, yeah.
We didn't know what to get, and we were going back to buy some. And
like we're in an area where there's like planes going over every minute, right?
Every single minute.
So if you do hear planes flying over. So let's start again. Hi guys.
Hello.
Welcome back to the channel. So we have found some. We're going to get the life jackets.
Get the red one. Get the red. Careful, but
we found some life jackets. Finally.
Thanks to subscribers, we managed to get some who sorted us up.
Yep. They are a little bit dirty.
Need cleaning, which we'll
do. They don't match, but it does work.
Yeah, exactly. So we'll give them a good service anyway and make sure they're alright before we use them.
So also you guys would have seen that earlier on we tested out the bilge pump. And it works, but then it started to kind of do a little...
Stops, basically.
Yeah. Well, we've got 9 days?
Yeah.
10, 11 days left to go. 11 days. We've got 11 days to go. And we're not, I don't even think we're halfway prepared, to be fair. This is all Chris's fault. Yes, it is all Chris's fault. I'm gently putting it down because you saw earlier he was cussing about me picking up the life jackets and just in case the buckle like damages the car, which is clearly not going to do.
Which it did.
No, it didn't.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, so we got what, 10, 11 days?
10, 11 days probably.
Yep. And we're not even halfway there, so this is going to be interesting. We found some life jackets, so that was the first thing that we needed to do. We've got to do some water tests before we obviously shoot off. And also, we've got to sort out the bilge pump, we've got to do some bearings, we've got to do...
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
The list is just getting longer and longer.
We've completed just over 1,000 miles of test driving.
Did you say 1,400?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, we've done about 1,400 miles now.
Yeah.
Which is
just driving around. I don't know how on earth we've done that.
Or 1,200, because then you said...
298.
Yeah.
So, yeah, 1,300 miles.
So it must be
1,300 now.
Yeah, so literally another 500 miles will get us to
Balkans.
Bulgaria?
Yeah.
You know, we would have done that.
But we ain't gone anywhere.
No. But you've spent a lot of money on fuel.
Yeah.
Because that's what you do when you're like driving around, not really doing much, but yet literally building up all the miles on the car. But anyway, yeah, so we're totally looking forward to going.
Yeah.
Next stage, as I said, we're going to be doing the bearings.
Yeah.
Did you say that you found a company that would do that? Or
I think I have.
So the bearings will be pressed out and obviously re-put back in. What else needs to be done?
I've got a bench bilge. The stereo's a bit rubbish. And we need some more charging points. We've got no charging points to charge things up.
Well, actually, that's a massive problem, isn't it?
Definitely if you're vlogging.
Yeah, well, definitely if you're going like 1,700 miles across Europe, when we haven't got any charging points, that's going to be a massive issue. So the stereo's old and crappy. We're going to have to change that because that's not going to work. What else did you say? You're going to probably find one of those USB points. Like,
yeah, I thought I did it. Yeah. USB and fit one.
And hopefully try and get that fitted. So another big problem that we're finding is accommodation.
Yeah.
One, at the moment, it's very, very busy, and two, in September, it's still very expensive. So in Europe, accommodation, especially in Holland, is just astronomical. I cannot believe how costly that is.
So sleeping on the road for us?
Well, for a family of 5, actually, the thought did cross my mind. That's not even funny. The thought has actually crossed my mind. You know, literally getting a tent, hooking it up to this car somehow, and sleeping on the road.
Hooking up a tent to a boat, that's definitely a first.
Listen, the cost of staying in Europe is absolutely mad, especially Holland. Holland is like, for a family of 5, it's like minimum. It's £300 I'm finding.
I've got a solution.
Campsites. What's that?
Leave the kids.
You can't do that. So
that's bad parenting right there.
So guys, if you've got any suggestions for us, please let us know, because that's probably our biggest bugbear at the moment.
Or guys can help out.
Yeah, or if you know anyone that...
Anywhere in Europe.
Yeah.
From France.
Well, we're going to be going, just to give you an idea of the actual route that we're taking. So we're going Holland, hoping to stop there. We're hoping to stop in Austria. Yep.
Serbia. Hungary, and probably Germany. We don't know yet. Possibly, but mainly France, Belgium.
Well, we're not stopping in France. No, we're definitely not stopping in France.
What's wrong with France?
No, France is beautiful, especially the north.
Je m'appelle.
The north of France is gorgeous, you know, and I'm sure probably the south.
But we're not even going north.
But we're not going that way. We're kind of cutting through. So we need somewhere in Holland, somewhere possibly Germany. And you said Austria.
Definitely Netherlands, probably Austria.
Yeah.
And then Serbia.
Serbia or Hungary, whichever one. Yeah.
Yeah, and then where else in between?
Yeah.
So
let us know if you have any ideas, because literally we're pulling our hair out. 3 kids, 2 adults.
Dog, cat and a fish.
No. Forget the cat and the fish and the dog.
And you get to see our lovely boat car.
Yeah. So, you know.
Which is called Rich Boy.
So they're probably saying, right, if you're calling your car Rich Boy, you can afford to get accommodation. So
that is the name.
If you have got any ideas for us going through Holland, especially, and Austria, that'd be ideal, because that's our biggest bugbear at the moment. But apart from that, super excited. We're going to start packing the stuff. We're going to do some test runs. We've got some challenges as well going through
Which
Europe.
I have not got a clue what it's about. As always,
he doesn't have a clue.
I get told on the day.
The kids don't have a clue. Well, obviously, as you guys know, we are homeschooling our children. So there's going to be some challenges that will involve education or sort of aspects of it. So, you know, learning different languages and actually testing it out on some of the locals. Yeah, it's going to be interesting, I think.
Very different.
Mike, what are you looking forward to on our European trip?
Going in different places and trying food.
Do you remember how long it took from London or England to Sofia, Bulgaria?
3 days.
Approximately 3 days. And how many miles was it?
1,600, but 2,300 kilometers.
Cool. Okay. So, do you know where you're going to be staying? Okay. Well, the surprise is you'll be staying in a tent. No, I'm only joking. I'm only joking. We don't know yet. We're figuring that out. What are you guys most looking forward to?
Looking forward to meeting new people.
Okay.
We're looking forward to be tasting different food.
Okay.
You never have a clue. Every time we leave, we just drive and just don't plan anything. So it's nothing new.
Yeah.
But this is the big one, I suppose.
Yeah. Well, this is going like almost the 2,000 miles across Europe. So not having a clue is not really an ideal situation. What are you most looking forward to, actually? I didn't actually ask you that.
What I'm looking forward to it most, trying different food, seeing the mountains definitely, especially in Austria. The mountains are beautiful. And just meeting just new people. What I'd like to actually see though is in the Balkans is some brown bears.
Brown bears?
Yeah.
There are brown bears in the Balkans?
There's wolves as well.
There are wolves in the Balkans?
And coyotes.
Okay, the coyotes is not too bad because they're like dogs, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, but bears and wolves are like 2 things that I don't want to really be coming.
So do you want to stay in a tent? Do you want to stay in a tent in the Balkans then?
No.
No.
I was talking about the Western countries. When I get to the East, that ain't going to happen. So I'm guessing Serbia, Hungary, those sort of countries will all have bears and wolves.
No, I don't know about Serbia, actually. I don't know about those countries, but it's almost, maybe, I don't know. I'll look into that.
Oh my god. Okay, anyway, right, so guys, we're going to keep you posted going forward on the development. As I said, we found the life jackets now, and we will be going in the water fairly soon. We've done the itinerary for these guys homeschooling as well, so the whole journey we'll be doing different activities. They'll be learning along the way, and we will be sharing it on our social media, probably Instagram.
Yeah.
So keep posted on that as well. Hello.
To ask you about your amphibious car.
Yeah.
Did she buy it for you?
No, well, we bought it together.
We bought it together.
It's lovely.
That's very good.
Thank you. It is.
You're not just sitting on it, it is.
No. It might not be ours.
The gap between the cementy bit and the gravelly bit, does that cause a problem?
Not really, no, that's fine. That's fine, yeah.
And when you're coming back out,
Yeah.
and you're on the gravelly bit and you have to jump onto the cementy bit,
Yeah.
does that always work?
Yeah, yeah.
Should be comfortable. Yeah.
And it's in such good condition.
Yeah, it's 28 years old now. I look after it. Yeah, I've had it for quite a few years.
It's really nice.
For you can tell you love it.
Yeah, I use it all the time.
I love it.
Yeah. This journey is about more than just the destination. It's about the people we meet along the way. Here's a moment that really made us smile.
Refurb that every year.
He's got Instagram and
We're-
all
yeah,
those
YouTube.
modern things.
That's a lot of fun with it.
Yeah, we go
We are
do a
on
lot.
YouTube.
Yeah.
About 30 years ago, a chap arrived down here with a stalwart. I don't know if you've heard of
It's
those.
a
It was
miniature
an
one, isn't it?
amphibious
Yes.
military
Yeah, that's one.
with a
Yeah.
Rolls Royce
Big-
engine.
Yeah.
Wow.
And he took us off me and my three boys, two of the boys,
Yeah.
off into the river.
Wow.
And it was fantastic,
Wow.
actually.
And when people are scared to go somewhere or do something, it affects that country.
Yeah.
It affects tourism, it affects
Everything
income.
pulls it down.
Same in the Caribbean, same in Asia, you know.
Yeah.
And when you go there, it's nothing I would say is, and we've travelled a lot of places, and we've realised that the places that don't go were the best places we went to, and the people are beautiful.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there's places in London you can say don't go.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a good point.
So it's don't live in fear.
No.
You're sensible.
No, lots of people tell me that bits of London are dangerous. I've never felt
Nah.
danger. Mind you, I'm always on my back.
Yeah, but you can throw that bike at them. They'll hurt. It's one of these new modern bikes are very like that one.
Too nice. They just bounce off.
In the Netherlands, they're really like, you know, they're worth a lot of money in the Netherlands.
Sit up and big bikes, don't they? They
Yeah.
cycle
Yeah.
along there.
Oh
with
yeah,
them.
exactly. As we're sitting here, as you saw, oh god, Chris is literally...
Right, let's go.
Right, okay, so we're going to end it. We're going to wrap up because obviously, as you saw, there's people that just...
Which is great, by the way. We don't mind it. So
Yeah,
if you see us, come and say hello.
Yeah.
Just give
I
us a
think
couple
we-
seconds to finish our video.
We just saw a guy whose partner has another amphibious car.
Yeah.
So he was going to, I think he's going to invite us to a few of these rallies, which there are a lot of amphibious car rallies.
If we get time, that's the problem. We're
Yeah.
always away doing something when
Yeah.
these rides are on.
Yeah.
And to be fair, we're in it all the time. So
Anyway.
we're pretty somewhere doing we
Yeah,
do
it's
stuff.
like a rally every day for
But
us.
if we can, we'll definitely come to a few.
Yeah, for sure. So we're going to leave you guys now because of course, like we said, we've got a lot of preparation to do. We've got a lot of things to get sorted before we leave in about 10 days time.
Yeah.
And
And we need to get some food for the kids.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was going to say. So, peace out.
Yeah, wait over there. A bit manually. Yeah, it's working.
Okay. So manual's working, but automatic not. Splashing on my leg.
It could just be a dodgy wire in the switch. It's working fine, is there?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
So, but manually though.
Yeah, but that could be a switch because it worked the other day.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, it's working now.
Oh, so why?
I don't know. It could be the switch. That's it doing
So
by
that's
itself.
auto now.
Yeah, I'm going to do it now, so then I'm going to spin up again.
Yeah.
So it's coming by itself again. That's it doing itself now, no so.
Right.
Want me to clean that bilge? All my bilge here has been I'll do the engine another day. I'll have to take my new way. We're back, guys. That says 40 wire. See, the pop's working perfect now.
Yeah.
So it's got a wire. I need to somehow.
Whoa, running along the edge.
That's it, mate. That's it.
That's it.
Right, so this wire could be. I don't know. Wire looks alright. That's gonna be difficult. Is it damaged? Oh, hang on. Ah, I found it.
Oh, the cut.
Well,
It's the seat.
is it?
Yeah, it looks like it's a seat rubbing on it.
Yeah, it looks like it's.
Yeah, something's rubbed on it when it's cracked. You know.
Oh, it's got a joint there.
Right.
So I need to take all this out.
Okay.
To get to it. I've got a joint. So maybe the joint's broken. Got a dodgy connector.
Right.
There's a connector right there, joined.
Yeah.
So I'll take it out and resolder it.
Right.
So I'll take that side panel out. Right, so look, I've worked it out. It's a dodgy wire somewhere. So that's another job to add to the list of things to do before we hit the water.
Okay, yeah.
Yes. You hungry? Yes. Right. Is that it?
Yeah.
Say hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate, because I'm this.
Right, one more. Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate to pound you.
I didn't say consider sweet. Oh yes, please. That would be easier. Have you got a phone? Have you got your phone, Pat? Because that'd be easier.
Probably stolen now.
Oh, thank you. Yeah. We're going to be travelling to the Balkans shortly, so we're just preparing to go.
What day though to do this?
Oh no.
My goodness, I've never seen one of those out here.
Yeah. Should be going in the water soon. We're going to be travelling. We're driving all the way there in the water and on land. So it's going to be an interesting journey with the kids. Totally, it's too short not to.